Hi guys! In this video I want to show you my new doll, Poppy Parker from Integrity Toys, Peace and Harmony. In general, I think that she's very pretty girl, and I think that she's the best Poppy Parker from this the club. So let's start to unbox this girl, but at first I want to show you her number. She's really so lovely, and I'm in a hurry to take out her of this box. She's so sweet, really so sweet girl. I love her so much. Look at this face. Very sweet baby. And I like her hair, the color of hair. She's very, very beautiful. I'm very happy that I have this doll in my collection. Look at her face. And I like that in this gift set we have this kind of hands, very funny hands. But of course, I like this gift set. I like all clothes, but I don't understand this skirt, really. I don't know, maybe I will try to do 2 skirts from this one, the short one, and I will have enough material to make one more. I don't know, I will think about it, because I really don't understand this skirt. And I have some problems with buttons on this one. I hope that you can see, because they are not on one line. Really, I hate this. Not one line. For this money, Integrity Toys should make it better. And I don't understand why they always make the same shape of glasses for Poppy Parker. Really, I have in my collection 3 pairs of the same shape. I have red, I have blue and pink, and one more. Of course I like it, but I want another kind of glasses, another shape for my dolls. In this video I'm not going to open all these clothes, because there are a lot of photos in Instagram you can find. I only wanted to show you my beautiful lady, and soon I will make videos with her and will show you our new clothes, knitted clothes. And my knitted clothes, as you know, you can find on Etsy. comment please, do you like this baby? Because I'm in love, really. I'm very happy to have this doll. So for today it's enough. Bye bye guys.